students. In this video we are going to solve question number 9 from your textbook. The question goes like this: if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and the sum of first 17 terms of an AP is 287, then you have to find out the sum of n terms. Now since in this question we don't have the value of A, we don't have the value of B, so we can assume that let the first term be A and let the common difference be D. Now since we know that the sum of 7 terms, so S7 is equal to given sum of 7 terms. So S7 sum of 7 terms is given, this is 49, this is given in the question. Now since the sum of 7 terms is given, so I am definitely going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. One more formula is there, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, but this is not applicable here because we don't know the value of l, and therefore we can use this formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Now here we can write down the value of n is 7, so S7 is equal to 7 by 2 because the value of n is equal to 7 into 2 into a is not given as it is, plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 into d is not given as it is. So this becomes S7's value is already known, this is 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus this becomes 6d, 7 minus 1, 6d. So 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into, if you take 2 common from here, bracket a plus 3d, bracket close. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So this 7 can be taken here. Instead of multiplying with this bracket, we can take on this side because this 49 is divisible by 7. So 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. That means 7 and this will get cancelled. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, one more line is given in the question. The sum of 17 terms. Similarly, S17 is given as 287. Similarly, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. N is equal to 17. So S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2 into a as it is plus 17 minus 1 into d is not given as it is. So S17 is known to you, that is 289 is equal to 17 divided by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Therefore 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into, if you take 2 common, you will get a plus, you will get here ad, bracket close. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So therefore you will get here 287. If you take 17 on this side, you can divide by 17 is equal to a plus ad. And if you divide 17 by 287, you will get here 17. So 17 is equal to a plus ad. Now this is your equation number 2. If you see equation 1 and 2, you can solve equation 1 and 2 by your elimination method. So I am going to subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract 2 from 1. I will take this equation first. So a plus ad is equal to 17, and the first equation a plus 3d is equal to 7. If you subtract this a will get cancelled. It's minus 8 minus 3, minus and you have to take is 5d is equal to minus, you have to do it 10. So d is equal to 10 divided by 5. So d is equal to 2. So this value of d can be put in one of the simple equation and find the answer. So put d is equal to 2 in equation number 1. If you are putting d is equal to equation number 1, equation 1 is a plus 3 into the value of d is 2 is equal to 7. So a is equal to, you get a plus 6 is equal to 7, and hence a is equal to 7 minus 6. So a is equal to 1. So the value of b is equal to 2 and the value of a is equal to 1, and hence you can find out the sum of Sn terms. So n terms you have to find out. No need to put the value of n. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. And if you are going to put the value of a and d, so it will become Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into the value of a is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 as it is into the value of b is equal to 2. And if you solve this, this becomes Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 bracket close 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into, we don't have the value of n, so in your answer you will get the value, you will get the variable n there. So 2 plus, multiply with the bracket 2n minus 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into this minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, so the only remaining is 2n. So n gets cancelled, so Sn is equal to n square. So the sum of Sn term is n square. In this way, you can find out the sum of n terms when the sum of 7 terms and the sum of 17 terms is given to you.